65. Okay, I'm like, this is huge. Okay. Wow. 65-inch TV. Our seating here. Alright, so this is pool view. Riverside is just through there. Really nice modern style. Look at this nice industrial style elements with the wood and stone and the leather. Really comfortable seating there. Nice table. And then on the back end side, we have some cabinet space here. This is someone's still living here. We have cabinet space here. Nice warm color tones. Really cool. Continues the industrial with the iron bed. Nice side table. Roller shades. Really cool. Really cool. A mic of warm tones. This is really nice. Enclosed shower. Layout. I've not seen a layout like this. Nice door there. Really nice. Got some light there as well. Drawer space, cabinet space here. Side table. Gloves. Nice chair. Roller shades here on each side. Nice bookshelf there. Shelving. Side table. This looks like a queen size. 6, 7, 8 furnace. Large mirror here. Get yourself ready. First up, I saw kind of pine doors, nickel finish. Lovely layout. It's really beautiful. Really beautiful. Yeah, I've not seen a layout style like this.